Yeah, hello everyone. Day 124 here at Industrial Fabrication Company. Another great one. We are more or less completed welding on the platform. We've got just a little bit more to do. We need to paint these up because this will be all inside, so we just need to paint it and then weld these plates on. But other than that, that's all done. But we want to do that later on, at least on this first one. Then we need to come through. We're going to do caulking all through here, anywhere there's not a weld, so that we don't have any leakage or anything. But fortunately for that, we'll have automatic caulking guns. That's really going to help us out there. And it's really cool just how straight this thing is. It's accurate to within 3/16 of an inch right now, which is even better than the spec. And there's no weight helping it stay flat right now. This is kind of a worst case scenario for it. So really excited about that. And we passed our weld inspections today, and was able to kind of work with our customer and kind of explain areas of more improvement and kind of understanding the strength of a weld. As an example, this weld right here was supposed to be thicker, and it goes underneath as well. But all that needs to do, I guess combined with the one on the other side, is lift 8,000 pounds. Seems like a lot. One of those plates with the weld that's currently on there, even on the low end of its estimated strength, could do 770,000 pounds. So we should be good. But able to walk through that with the customer, because if we're going to do more of these, being able to not have to put a massive amount of heat into these as we're doing more welds would be advantageous for us and for them, and just having a more accurate product without sacrificing strength in any meaningful way. We're started on the next platform, getting things cut up, for the most part single piece in it, but if we're putting material up, we'll cut all of it, so we're not then moving it back out and taking it off the sawhorses and putting it back up and all that. Just get it cut so that it's done, not touch it more than once. Also was working on kind of changing our process flow. Right now we create our POs in Excel and then send those off to the customer, and then if we need and then Michelle will take those after we've printed it out and handed it to her and enter that information into our accounting software. So right now we're duplicating that information, and then what's in our accounting system is not the exact copy that was sent to the customer. There's opportunity for error there and a lot of waste of duplication. So kind of went through the test of what would it be like with one of our vendors for a PO, of doing that completely through our accounting software and cutting out Excel. And that went pretty smooth today. Definitely some kinks we'll have to work through, but that's going to be the case with anything that we do. So excited about that. Moving forward with kind of the next set of 20 vendors and getting things ordered for that. And just kind of thinking, okay, price wise and what takes up space and what doesn't, if we can get a better rate on getting more, is this going to change? Because that's one of the problems with having a lot of inventory in terms of waste, is the space, and you're moving it, and then also if your design changes, have defects. So trying to consider all that, but I think landed in a good middle ground there for now. All in all, great day. Got requested to bid some stuff and working away on that. I think that's all. Sign off for now.